guys, it's Mia and... Dang it!
Okay, so...
Hey guys, it's Mia and Mari here. And today we're going to be doing a squishy vending machine video. So let's get right into the video.
Okay, guys,
so we don't know what we're going to be needing. So
the only thing we know that we have is a shoebox.
So yeah. Wait, we're going to search a YouTube video, so BRB.
And this was totally inspired
We're watching
by
it, so we'll see you at the end of the video.
So she
guys, there's like a red, spider-looking ant thingy. Kill it!
So the next
Kill it right
thing
now!
I'm supposed to do is put in 25 cents, but I only have a penny.
Kill it! I don't want to. Oh god, it's getting next to a spider.
Okay,
there's an ant and a spider in here. So maybe
I'm really sorry for that random pause. So now after that, what you're supposed to do is pull the knob like that, and then you're supposed to back
Go into the
it.
closet.
After that, what you're supposed to do is to turn the cat 360, not cat 360, and as it comes to your prize, so we got this really cute cat.
Where is it? Where is it?
It's really squishy. And now I'm going to show you guys the mechanics. So I opened it up, and here is basically what the inside looks like. I know it looks so ratchet, but I don't really care about what the inside looks like, as long as the outside looks pretty good. So right here are all these squishies. And I had to see, I had to
at the end of the video we're still watching
to the wall so I can put the...
Guys, I think this is going to be a fail today. And sorry, the lighting is super bad, but let's do this.
So sorry, but... Okay, so we're going to go get some cardboard. BRB.
No, wait.
Mia, this is going to take, like, such a long time. Like, that cardboard is so hard to cut.
Right.
It took me 1 hour to cut that cardboard in there for one squishy vending machine, and it was that big. So,
well, if you guys want to get all of the things
in, like, 5 hours, so
bye.
bye.
Wait, guys, but we are going to be showing you while we're making it. We're not going to be making it and then showing you. We're going to be making it while you're watching, so. Bye. Okay, guys, we're done cutting all the cardboard. Done making all of the stuff.
So we cut out this because the cardboard now is really hard. So what we're going to be doing
is we're going to actually...
And this is all the cardboard.
So what we have to make it with is tape,
scissors,
and
gel pens to decorate, and some more pens and crayons using the extra markers.
I'm going to pause the video. Okay, guys, so on with the video. So also, Mari thought of this great idea, like to cut this hole, so when we try to open it, all we have to do is this. Wait, but Mari, if we tape it on and we try to open it, it won't open.
So we can just take it off.
Take the tape off?
Yeah. Oh wait, no, it's a good idea. So we can reuse it. So we won't like have to keep on using a different tape piece. We can put that right there. So whenever you put the tape on it, it's right there, so it can just come off easily. So yeah. I'm gonna do another layer. So Mia's gonna tell you guys what we're gonna do on the next step for like the little controller while I'm cutting all this tape off.
So what we're gonna do for control is we're gonna put
like this thing, like to push it in.
Yeah. Okay. So what we're gonna be doing, what I was thinking was we could put like a little strip in here, so we could just push it down and then the squishy would fall. Like we could put a layer of cardboard on the bottom, so and then a little hole in the middle, so this would like hold it up. So when you put it in, it would fall down. And yeah.
So basically, we need to make the hole. Oh god, this is ugly. That's really ugly. Yeah, we're definitely gonna decorate this.
Yeah.
So wait. We can't do the slot yet. So right here, we're gonna make a floor. So we're gonna be using this our cardboard, and we're gonna use a floor. We're gonna make a floor. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take this. We're gonna take a little bit more. We're gonna cut it down, just like this.
This is gonna be a fail, because we always make fails. There's never a time when it's a good
vending machine.
Yeah.
It's always been a fail, but whatever. I mean, I think we can do it.
Yeah. This time, I think we can.
Because that was actually super easy. We're going to decorate it up a storm, guys. Okay. So here are all our pieces for our floor.
Wait, we need a wall too, like, no, like, oh yeah, like a wall is basically gonna be like floor.
Yeah. So, I'm gonna...
So,
This is gonna be like where we can draw on. This is gonna be our fake coin. I'm gonna make the fake coin while Mia's doing that.
okay, so we're gonna get the
Because we don't have a coin.
These are all way too small. This one is not. Okay.
And it requires coin. God, I'm bleeding.
Let me see.
I'm not bleeding, just joking. I was bleeding the last time I made the squishy vending machine.
I can't even.
So here's our fake coin.
Okay. I need to cut this off. Nothing's gonna get this tape off. Okay, never mind. Okay. I have no idea how many.
We're gonna get no subscribers.
I have 1 subscriber. I think.
I only have 23.
I don't know what I'm doing right now.
Who is that 1 subscriber?
I have no idea.
It's Emily.
No, it's not. Okay.
Yeah, you're wasting so much tape.
I know, because I couldn't get it off.
Yeah, all you have to do is that.
Are we gonna post
Yeah, we're gonna post it. So here's our fake coin. Can't really see it because the lighting's really bad, but this is our fake coin.
Wait, I know how to make the lighting even better. We should have done this like the whole entire
Oh my
time.
god. Wow.
Oh my god! That was like so dumb. Okay.
Hey, Mark, all this stuff here, I should have hung it up the other day. I'm gonna take it in here.
Okay.
Cause your mother's coming tomorrow.
Okay, guys. So what we should have done this the whole entire time. I don't know why. And I need it to cut the tape.
We're not gonna even walk through here.
Yeah, do you think this is gonna be a fail?
No. What do you think?
Yeah. But
What if it's not?
We tried.
What if it's not a fail?
That would be amazing. What if we had puffy paint to decorate? Yeah, you're using so much tape, and that's only the first layer.
Okay.
We can just use some extra cardboard.
Yeah, we need more tape, like a lot more tape.
And no squishies will fall down.
Yeah.
Should I put that right there? Oh my god! How is it standing up without tape?
It's not standing up.
Look.
Oh my god. Ugh. Okay, can you hold this up for me?
Oh god. Why did you do that? Oh god, I have to find the tape again.
There's no more tape.
No, you cut it off like right there, so it went back. There is more tape. Oh, there it is.
Okay, Mark, can you hold this up for me, please?
Wait, I'm getting the tape up.
Wait, the squishies could fall in there. But that other little...
No, our squishies are good. It's a fake coin, guys. Like, it's so bad. It says 25 cents, but it looks backwards to you.
Can you please put it... or hold it up?
Wait, I'm gonna draw it so they'll,
No, Mara, hold it up.
like...
Hold it up. Mara,
I can't do that.
No, wait, Mara, they can't see it. It's just for us. They can't see it the right way.
Okay.
25 cents. Okay. So, guys, Mara, can you hold this up for me?
Yeah.
Please, please.
Wait. Okay.
Okay, now we need another piece.
Go. squishy can't fall through now. Or we could just put that right there or something.
Or we could put this right there.
I'm gonna go get like a mini cup for the coins to fall in, so I'll be right back. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna get something for the coins. Oh! We could use this, a Shopkins bin.
Oh, yeah.
Wait, I have to dump out the Shopkins. I'll just put
What if we
it
made a Shopkins vending machine?
I don't want to. I mean, since we're gonna be using a Shopkins basket of like season 2 or something, or 5, or can't believe it's already season 10.
I know, right?
Emily doesn't think it's season 10 yet.
She doesn't?
No, she thinks that it's still season 8.
Oh my god.
Guys, look how bad this fake coin looks. I just can't get over that. Okay.
Wait, don't.
Wait, I want to see if if it'll like close. Oh wait, we should have traced that first. Oh my god.
Wait, okay, wait, get this off.
I'm just gonna put a coin in there. Put a coin.
That looks pretty good. Okay, so now we need a wall. Wait,
One more.
no. This.
Why are we gonna use that?
To make the little thing.
Oh my god, no, we can't do that.
Why?
That looks terrible. Why can't we just use a Ziploc bag?
Oh my god.
It would be way more clear.
It's fine.
Yeah, go get a Ziploc bag.
It's fine.
No, it's not. Go get a Ziploc bag right now.
Why? Can you?
No, I can't.
Why?
Because I don't want to.
I don't want to either.
Well, that doesn't mean that you can't.
Do you know you can't?
So who wants to do it?
Yeah.
No, I don't.
Alright, I have to tell you, this is only my first time. This is my second time going, and this is like your month. This is like your 100th day being here, so like, I really think that you should.
Is that good?
Yeah. I need more tape.
Wait. Oh my god, yes! So whenever you close it, the squishy will. Okay, I'm gonna make a refill right now, guys.
Wait,
a
Mari,
refill.
can you please go get the Ziploc bag?
Yes, I will, jeez.
Wait, we have to put the Ziploc bag on after.
Oh my god, look! That could be the refill.
Will the squishies fit?
If you squish them to death, yeah. So that's our refill, guys.
Wait, don't we need a wall, or are we gonna put the Ziploc bag?
Look, I have two coins in there.
Look, coming the whole thing.
Oh wait, so we don't have any.
Oh, it's 13 minutes, and we have 2 more minutes to do the whole entire thing.
Okay, well, guys, we're gonna
Make part 2. So
yeah.
Bye.